Hello everyone, welcome back to my Skillshare project series. Today I am going to present my task 32, which is designing a responsive invoice page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind CSS. An invoice page is an important component in web application, especially in platforms like e-commerce online learning systems. So it helps users clearly view their purchase details, payment status and total cost. The main objective of this task is to create a clean, responsive and printable invoice design that works smoothly across different devices such as mobile, phones, tablets and desktops. Okay, to complete this task, I use the following technologies. HTML to create the structure of the invoice and Tailwind CSS to design and style the layout, JavaScript to add functionality like printing, Google Fonts to improve the visual appearance. Okay, then these technologies help me build a modern and user-friendly interface. So you can see my interface. Here I use back to dashboard. Then by using this button we can go to our dashboard of Skillshare website, and here I use the biller's information and cost title and each level price, and here the user can get the idea of the subtotal, and also here I add the cost, documents, delivery fee and total paid. So then here I add payment details. Okay, then here you can see the date also I added to this page, and from this we can print our invoice also. Okay, so we can use portrait layout also. So this comes to 2 pages. Okay, now I am going to cancel this. Okay, so this is what I implemented in my task 32. Okay, then let's move to see our code structure. Okay, so this is my invoice.php file. Okay, then now I will explain the structure of my code. My invoice page is divided into several main sections. Header section is the first one. It shows the brand name and invoice details. And the second is customer and payment section. So this displays buyer information. And the third one is item table. So it lists purchased costs. And fourth one is total section. It calculates the final amount. And fifth one is footer. It includes a thank you message. And final one is action buttons for navigation and printing. Okay, so here first I created the basic HTML structure. This defines the document type and language. Then I add viewport meta tag. So this ensures the page is responsive on all devices. You can see that now. And then, okay, in our header section, this displays the system name and user styling classes for styling. And here, in this part, this shows the buyer's name, email and address. And in our table part, this table displays cost, name, level and price. Each row represents one purchased item. And here total section, this section shows a clear breakdown of payment including subtotal, delivery fee and total paid. It uses Tailwind CSS Flex utilities to align labels and amounts neatly in a structured layout. The final total is highlighted with larger and bold text to make it stand out. Okay, so in our footer part, this footer section provides a closing message thanking the user and offering support contact details. It also dynamically displays the current year using PHP for copyright purposes. So the centered layout and subtle styling make it clean and professional. Okay, so instead of writing long CSS, I use Tailwind CSS utility classes. As example here, in this part you can see this means busy white means white background, P8 means padding, rounded excel that means rounded corners, and shadow LG that means box shadow. Okay, then here also on small screens it shows one column, and on medium screens and above it shows two columns. So this makes the page mobile friendly. Here I used JavaScript to add interactivity. So this button triggers the browser's print function when the button is clicked. So it allows users to print or save the invoice as a PDF easily. So the main features of my invoice page are fully responsive design, clean and modern UI, and printable invoice, simple navigation, and easy to integrate with backend systems. Okay, then in conclusion, this task helped me out to understand how to design a professional invoice interface using modern web technologies. By combining HTML, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript, I was able to create a responsive and user-friendly invoice page that can be used in real-world applications. Okay, then thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video.